everyone, welcome by Alessandro Zamboni. Today I have an excellent opportunity for you and it's a live webinar with a full replay if you can't attend. You will learn how to work as a middleman in the world of NFTs, connecting buyers to freelancers and putting a lot in your pockets. The webinar will be around 2 hours and the great thing is you don't have to work with crypto coins or wallets. You will be paid in euros, dollars, pounds or everything else. Nowadays everyone wants to create an NFT to resell, but the problem is they don't know how to work with graphics. So you will fill this missing piece with your service. I give you my best freelancers to work with and you get the method behind this strategy and everything you need to start today. It's easy, great for newbies that want to make money with NFTs but without touching crypto coins. Go easy and avoid all this. Become an NFT momentum superstar. It's the best time to enter this market from the front door.